Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dylan Hamilton and welcome back to C.A.R. Entertainment. Today guys, we're going to be finishing our IHU1 Digital Technology Revision videos guys, and it is going to be finished off with a topic called cloud computing. It's quite an interesting topic, but it can be quite a boring one at the same time, so we'll try and make it as interesting as possible as we go through. Everyone probably will use this if you're watching this video because it's in cloud or something like your Apple's cloud. It's like iCloud and Google Drive and all that there sort of stuff. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Well, what is cloud computing? Well, cloud computing is the practice of using a network of remote servers hosted on the internet to store, manage, and process data rather than a local service or personal computer. A public cloud should have data centers and different physical locations. Many servers will support these services being provided by the cloud service provider known as a CSP. They will use the internet to provide services which are normally provided by a LAN. It incorporates a thing called virtualization, which is the use of servers to run an application for a desktop client computer, and the application will be stored on the server and accessed by the client computer. The processing will be carried out by the server and accessed by the client computer. The client computer is for local processing, and the technique will allow for centralization of maintenance updates, the use of cheaper client computers, and less power. There will be virtualization of software manipulating the hardware used to provide cloud computing as a service to the client users. A cloud instance is a location of physical memory on the cloud server which has been allocated on a particular client or owner. Each server will serve multiple clients, and it will make it possible to allocate an additional capacity to clients when their usage spikes and resources demands increase. Clusters are dedicated hardware that will be hosted at each data center, and they will be used to provide special services and processes for clients. A server farm is a form of data center that consists of a large number of individual file servers which are cheaper and more flexible than using a small number of large computers. A data center enables efficient maintenance of the system as well as providing security, including facilities for backup and protection against power failure. A virtual computer is the entire software setup stored as an image and a binary file that is an exact copy of the real computer. This image is then loaded onto powerful hardware in the cloud and runs as if it were a normal machine called an instance. Data transfer across between cloud service providers and clients will generally be via an encrypted connection. Services. Some of the services available to clients include data storage, email, virtualization, backup, and then remotely hosted applications. The advantages is that it's available 24/7 and updates can be readily made available to users. It has increased security and system reliability as the supplier only needs to maintain it. All users access in one software system, and therefore cross-computing issues are no longer a concern. A reduction in carbon footprint as there's fewer physical devices required with everything being stored on the cloud. Concerns that cyber attacks are problematic where large amounts of data are stored by a wide range of users, often on the same cloud system. A loss of confidentiality of data which can be legally accessed by the government surveillance programs, and there can be downtime with the cloud provider leading to companies not being able to access their files until the problem has been fixed by the host. Thanks for watching this video. Good luck in your digital technology exam. I'll be Dylan Hamilton from CA Entertainment, and I will see you next time.